Don't tell me in this 2025 you are still straining your yogurt to get Greek yogurt. Guys, come let me show you the perfect yogurt recipe that needs no straining, no resting time, and it's going to come out absolutely amazing. Let's go. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Greek yogurt, and you know as it is over here, we go straight into it. First you need powdered milk, full cream powdered milk, guys. Don't use instant cream. Then you need culture. For this I use farm fresh unsweetened yogurt for the culture actually. Then you need distilled water, not the regular water from your tap, because for this recipe we're not going to be stressing ourselves. Like I said, this is the easiest Greek yogurt recipe you will have to do. I'll show you why. This is a recipe that you don't need to strain the yogurt, you don't need to sieve it, you don't need anything except making it, and it's straight up Greek yogurt. So let's get into the main process. First you need a bowl, and now you want to measure out your milk. In total, I think I used about 5 cups of milk for this particular batch. For this recipe, we're going to be using equal amounts of milk powder to water. So whatever cup you decide to use for your measurement will be the cup you will use also for your water measurement. And here I have boiling water. As you saw, I already added 2 cups of cold water and I added 3 cups of hot water. This is so that it will give me the perfect temperature I would need. But what I advise, because my own ended up having so much lumps, what I'll advise you do is mix your water first. Get the water temperature first before pouring it into your milk, so that you don't waste as much time as I did, because the milk started having lumps. I had to strain the milk before proceeding with any other thing. Anyways, I strained the milk, then I proceeded to whisk it up. You want to make sure that there are no lumps in your yogurt, because those lumps would not melt after adding your after letting it sit. So once you're done with that, you want to add in your culture. And like I said earlier, I use the Farm Fresh unsweetened yogurt for my culture. Farm Fresh is a pretty good brand of product, so that is why I decided to use it. And plus, it's the only yogurt I could find. So once we're done with that, we're going to store this away. You want to make sure to see steams at the cover, so that you know that your yogurt is warm enough and would keep warm. Because if you're using cold milk, you're not going to achieve anything. And if you're using just lukewarm milk, it may not stay warm for the time it needs to stay warm. Store this for 8 hours, exactly 8 hours if you want a less tangy yogurt. And immediately you get your yogurt out, always check for the warmth. If it feels warm, you will know the yogurt will come out properly. However, if it's ice cold, then I don't know, you probably have to check it, because it may not give you such great results. If you love tangy yogurt, just leave it to sit for 14 hours and you're going to get exactly the yogurt you want. Now, guys, can we take a minute for this yogurt? Like, look at this masterpiece. There is absolutely no way. So, even though Greek yogurt is strained yogurt, this is so good. Like, there is no way to strain, so you're just getting pure Greek yogurt straight up, and that's because we used equal amounts of milk to water. Don't try to check the corners by increasing the amount of water, because then you have to strain it, and you see, you would have to strain it to get Greek yogurt. You're going to definitely see the whey hanging around. So you just want to mix this up. Do you notice that we're still doing this in the same bowl as we started initially? Like, this method saves you the stress of cleanup, and it also saves you so many other things. So this is like my go-to right now. But anyways, I decided to make strawberry yogurt also, and I just did that by sharing this yogurt in half, adding in some strawberry syrup. Now, this is homemade strawberry syrup. If you live within another part of Nigeria or outside the country, it's currently strawberry season, so this is the best time to get plenty strawberries. Turn them to jam, turn them to syrups, turn them to pancake syrups. This is the best time to get the actual fruit rather than using artificial flavors here and there. Anyways, after adding in my strawberry syrup, I also added this excellent red food coloring. Now, you want just very, very, very little of this in your mix. This is just to help the strawberries retain color, because strawberry is a natural fruit. so the color don't stay for very long. So once you start keeping this in the refrigerator, you will notice as day goes by, the strawberry will keep fading away till it turns white. So that is why we add a little food coloring to help boost the pink. You see how bright and pinkish it is now. That is it. So the strawberry syrup is sweetened. So I will no longer be adding sugar to that yogurt, just the strawberry syrup. Then to the plain yogurt, I sweeten it a little bit. You can also do without sweetening it at all. And I'm telling you that this yogurt will still taste banging. Okay. So after that, I just scooped this into various plates. Now, this is the yogurt I will consume for the whole week. So I just portion them up and scoop them into various plates, and then I'll set it in the fridge to set. Mind you, the yogurt will still thicken up in the fridge, and I'll show you the final result of how well it thicken. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't you think that this is a good time to do that? So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also share this video so that it reaches the people who need it more. And I will see you after we've chilled and prepped this yogurt, just to show you how thick and beautiful they will turn out to be. Anyway, since I started making my own yogurt, I have been making my yogurt every week. What is buying yogurt? I don't know what buying yogurt is anymore. So put some respect on my name. Now, drum roll please. It's time to show you guys what the yogurt looks like. And we're starting off strong with the strawberry yogurt. Guys, just take a look. Take a look at how thick this yogurt is. It's so good. Okay, I think I'm finally a strawberry yogurt girl, because tell me why the strawberry yogurt finished before the plain one. Now, remember, you can make so many different flavors from your yogurt. It mustn't be strawberry and it mustn't be plain. You can also use vanilla. You can also use banana. You can do pineapple if you like. It's your yogurt. Nobody cares. You can also do, I'm not going to talk about it because this is for my next recipe. Different flavors you can do with yogurt. So let me know in the comments if you would also like to see that. I also made this cute little mixture and I think it's amazing. So let me know guys, and also check out my previous video. Bye guys.